It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, twin turbo V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern mid-sized luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and a wide selection of engines and features. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,